ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 767 टीका। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू बिगिन दी मंत्र व्याख्यान। धिष्ण्यत्वम। बिफोर दैट सी दी भाष्य फर्स्ट। मद्रेषु मद्रा नाम जनपदास्तेषु चरका अध्ययनार्थम व्रतचरणात् चरका अध्वर्यवो वा पर्यव्रजाम पर्यटितवन्तस्। मद्रेषु in the Madra नाम जनपद means in the town called Madra desho vishesha. चरकाः अध्ययनार्थम व्रतचरणाः। So व्रतचरणात् चरकाः, those who go to some place for some adhyanam, vishesha adhyanam, they are called charakaha. Or advaryavo va. Advaryu, which Veda?
Yajurveda.
Yajurvedi Brahmana is given probably in 5 number tippani. Yajushaka adhyayinaha rutvik. Va paryavrajama paryatitavantaha. Paryavrajama vayam. ते पतंचलस्य ते वयं पर्यटन्तः पतंचलस्य नामतः काप्यस्य कपिगोत्रस्य गृहान् ऐम। In the while doing this परिव्रजा पतंचलस्य नामतः काप्यस्य कपिगोत्रोद्भव काप्य, in his house we went. गृहान् ऐम। ऐम इणगतौ धातु, then which lakara? Lang lakara. Lit will be eema. Eema. This is not lit. Lit is aima. So e, then you have mas, kartari shap, then adi pravritibhyaha shapaha. So e mas, shap will go. Nityam nitaha. Sakara lopa will happen by which sutra? Can you hear me? Nityam nitaha. Sakara lopa will happen by nityam nitaha. Then ad agama will come. Ad ajadinam. So at, e, ma, then atascha. Atascha sutra. So you will have a, e, I, ma. Atasya sutra will do vriddhi. So Aima Gatavantah, we went to his house. Tasya asid duhita, Gandharva grihita. His duhita was Gandharva grihita. Gandharvena amanushena satvena kenachit avishta. So some Gandharva had possessed her body. Gandharva dhishnyah. So dhishnyah tika says dhishnyatvam agnehe upasyatvam. He must be Agni upasaka. Gandharva अग्नि ही ऋत्विक देवता विशिष्ट विज्ञानत्वाद अवसीयते. नहीं ऋत्विक टीका अग्निर्वै देवानां होता इति श्रुतिम आश्रित्य आह. सो ही ऋत्विक अग्नि ही ऋत्विक देवता. यथोक्त गंधर्व शब्दार्थ संग्रहे लिंगम आह. Why Gandharva Shabda means all this Dhishnyaha, Agnihi, Ritvik Devata. Vishishta Vijnanavan means Vishishta Upasanavan. Tasya Anyatha Siddhim Dushayati. He cannot be otherwise. Why? Nahi Sattva Matrasya Idrisham Vijnanam Upadyate. Sattva Matra. See 7 number Tippani and 8 number Tippani. 7 number Upasya. So this Gandharva had Agni Upasana. The Agni was his Upasya. And Sattva Matra, Sattva means Prakrita Purusha. Prakrita Purusha will not have the Jnanam of Bhumandala, Brahmanda, what is the Vistara, etc. etc. Ordinary people, what you have to do? Vishesha Upasana. Yesterday somebody said, for lot of Vidya, by studying you don't get Vidya. You have to do lot of Upasana, then you will get. It could be true in some cases, or you might have done Upasana in Purva Janma, and in this Janma, you will get the Upasana Phalam in the form of Ekagrata is there, Guru Sanidhya will be there, and once you listen, you already know it. So you know what you heard, when it was heard, everything. Not that you heard something after a few days, you have no idea whether this I studied it or also not. You know, many people have such limitation. It doesn't even look like familiar, whether we studied it or not. So what that means? That ekagrata is not there. Mind is going here, there, so many places, and you are listening also. So then such Shravanam, then ekagrata is not there. Vikshepa is too much. And then after that also, if there is abhyasa of that same Vidya, then that Vidya is available. Because anabhyase Visham Vidya. If you don't do abhyasa, it is Visham only. So nahi sattva matrasya idrisham vijnanam upadyate. सर्वे वयम परिवारिताः सन्तः पृथक् कोई तस्मात् नाम किं सतत्वतः तम तम गंधर्वम vayam sarve, we all surrounded that Gandharva who was in the body of this daughter of the Patanjala. And parivaritaha santaha aprachama, we asked him, Kotiti, who are you? Kastvamasi, kin nama, kim नाम यस्य सः किन्नामा, किन्नाम यस्य सः किन्नामा. What is your name? किम सतत्वतः, किम स्वरूपः. Because they did not know his Gandharva. They did not know which from which loka etc. he had come. So now he says, so abravit Gandharvaha Sudhanva namata Angiraso Gotrataha. I am Gandharva, my name is Sudhanva. In earlier Janma, he must be Angirasa Gotra. Because the Gandharvas can have Gotra or not is a prashna. So 11 number Tippani you see. Anena Brahma Rakshashoham iti asuchi. He is not a Brahma Rakshasa. Tang yada yasmin kale lokanam anantan lokanam antan paryavasanani apruchhama atha enam gandharvam abruma. Tam gandharvam yada yasmin kale lokanam antan. Then we asked him this question, what is the end of these worlds? I mean, how big is this creation? How far they are, etc. Lokanam antan paryavasanani apruchhama. Atha enam gandharvam abruma. Bhuvana kosha parimana jnanaya pravritteshu sarveshu atmanam shlaghayantaha. Prishtavanto टीका अथ एनम इत्यादेः अर्थम विवृणोति. अथ एनम गंधर्वम अब्रूम. When they asked, what did they ask? Bhuvana kosha parimana jnanaya aprachhama. So they asked for this Bhuvana kosha parimana. What is the size? How vast is this Bhuvana kosha? Parimana jnanaya pravritteshu sarveshu atmanam shlagayantaha. And they were doing Atma Shlaga. Atma Shlaga, you see 15 number Tippani. Aham etad vedmi iti pratyekam Atma Shlaga dhanyavayam yad bhuvana kosha parimanam jnatum avasaram alapsmahi iti va Shlaga samunneya. They all there's this Shlaga. Shlaga means praise, prashansa. They were praising themselves. People are good at that. We are so dhanya, great. Why? Now we will know the Bhuvana Kosha Parimana. Aham etad vedmi. I know this. I know this means he has not said anything. I will know it. But aham etad. I know something. Pratyekam Atma Shlagaha Dhanyaha. Vayam yad Bhuvana Kosha Parimanam Jnatum Avasaram Alapsmahi. We got the opportunity now to know Bhuvana Kosha Parimanam. In this way we all gathered. Each was congratulating other. How lucky we are. People do this. They are so lucky. We got the opportunity to meet Gandharva. We will know Bhuvana Kosha Parimana now. Shlagayanta, Prishtavantaha Vayam. Katham. Katham. Halanti is not needed there. Halanti is there. Anuswara. In class, you can speak. Katham. Make it Anuswara if it is that Halantyamma. Parikshita. Parikshita. Right? That is the next word. Parikshita Abhavan iti. See 16 number tippani on that previous page. There is a Vartik on this. Parikshita Abhavan. Everybody is able to see that?
Yes, Swamiji.
Online students are.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes. Oh. 16 number tippani you see. Shlok Vartike Yatha. Aprasidha. Everyone chant. Aprasiddha Bhinanoktya. Vadivyammoha Siddhaye. Ashwamedha Krito Bhakti. Ujjuhu Parikshita. Something. Ujjuhu Parikshita iti. Aprasiddha Abhidhanoktya. This Parikshita Shabda, why did he use? Parikshita Bhavan. He said this is Aprasiddha Shabda. Aprasiddhasya Abhidhana means Ukti. Abhidhanoktya Vadi Vyamoha Siddhaye. Because this is Jalpakatha. It is not Vadakatha. So Jalpakatha Prayojanam is to do Vadi Vyamoha. Vadi Vyamoha Siddhaye. Ashwamedha Krito Vaktihi Bhujyuhu Parikshita iti. Parikshita means Ashwamedha Kritaha. Those who have performed Ashwamedha, they are called Parikshita. See further it is given in Tippani. Paritaha kshiyate sarvam brahmahatyadi duritam anena iti parikshit. Parikshit. Parikshit shabda meaning is given. Paritaha kshiyate sarvam brahmahatyadi duritam anena iti parikshit. Ashwamedha tad yajinaha parikshita iti drashtavya. So parikshit means Ashwamedha and tad yajinaha parikshita in this one. What is the greatness of Ashwamedha? All my durita will go. All my sins will go, including Brahmahatya. If you remember, so Ashwamedha Upasana is that horse, and there, what is the Mukham, Ushava, Ashwasya Shiraha, like that, Brahma Bradaranyaka started. And then his legs, his back portion, etc., etc. In other words, in this Brahmanda, somebody who does Virat Upasana and has Tadatmya with everything, that person will be free from all papa. To that person, Mahavakya Upadesha will be instant. Tika further. Bhavatu evam gandharvam prati bhavatah prashnas. Tathapi kim ayatam? Bhavatu evam gandharvam prati bhavatah prashna. Okay. Towards Gandharva, you might have asked all these questions. But kim ayatam tadaha sacha Gandharvaha sarvam asmabhyam abravit. That Gandharva gave us all the answers. Tena Gandharva vachanena iti yavat. Tena divyebhyo maya labdham jnanam. दिव्येभ्यो मया लब्धम ज्ञानम तत्तव नास्ति इति अतो निगृहीतो असि इति अभिप्राय। सो तेन गंधर्व वचनेन मया, सो गंधर्व वचने दिव्य, दिव्येभ्यो मया लब्धम ज्ञानम, by his divya vachana I got the knowledge. That knowledge you don't have. Tat tava nasti. Tava yajnavalkyasya. Ataha, therefore you are nigrihita, you are captured. Nigrihita means it is nigraha sthanam. In Nyaya there are these 16 nigraha sthanani, right? 16. In Kiranavali we will see them. One of them is this. Iti abhipraya. टीका दिव्येभ्यो गंधर्वेभ्यः सकाशादिति एतत्। एतत् ज्ञान अभावे तु अज्ञानम अप्रतिभा ब्रह्मिष्ठत्व प्रतिज्ञा हानिश्च इत्याह। When there is this kind of nigraha sthanam, you will have three problems. One is ajnanam, because you will not be able to answer. Then apratibha, your pratibha will not be there. And you did pratignya that I am brahmishtha among all, because you took the cows. That pratignya hani will happen because you will disprove yourself. इत्याह अतः इति। प्रष्टुरभिप्रायम् उक्त्वा प्रश्नाक्षराणि व्याचष्टे। So prashtu abhipraya is given. Now aksharani vyachashte. Soham vidya sampanno labdhagamo gandharvaat tvam pruchhami. Soham vidya sampanno gandharvaat labdha agamo. Gandharvaat labdha agamo. I received this knowledge from Gandharva. Tvam prachami, I ask you. Yajnavalkya. Now you see in the mantra how it is given. Kva parikshita abhavans. Tattvam kim janasi he Yajnavalkya kathaya prachami. Kva parikshita abhavan iti. But in the mantra it is 3 times. Kva parikshita abhavan, kva parikshita abhavan. So in Tikakar explains them. Prathama tavat kva parikshita abhavan iti ukti. Ukti hi gandharva prashnartha. First time when it is given kva parikshita abhavan, that is this Bhujjuhu and others, they are asking Gandharva. Then tasya dvitiya tad anurupa prativachanartha. The second is tad anurupa prativachanam. So then he gave the answer of that question. Like how do you say, somebody will say, do you know where is Rama? So he gave the answer of where is Rama. Now I am asking you, where is Rama? So how many times did I say where is Rama? 3 times. Like that. द्वितीया तद अनुरूप प्रतिवचनार्थ। यो हि क्व पारीक्षिता अभवन् इति प्रश्नो गंधर्वं प्रतिकृतस् तस्य प्रत्युक्तिं सर्वां सो अस्मभ्यम अब्रवीत इति तत्र विवक्ष्यते। So what is meant there is that second time when it was said that Gandharva pratikritah prashnah tasya pratyuktim, he gave the answer. Pratyukti means answer. Sarvam so asmabhyam abravit. All of those he gave the answer to us. Iti tatra vivaksyate. Tritiya Third time when it is said, Kva parikshita abhavan, Tritiya tu munim prati prashnartha iti vibhaga. Third time it is for the muni. With this, the mantra, first mantra is over. Tika, Ajnanadi Nigraham Pariharan Uttaram Aha. So now, Ajnanadi Nigraham Pariharan, he said, I don't have Ajnana, Pratibha, Brahmishtatva, all of these Nigraha Sthana. I have the answer. Pariharan Uttaram Aha, Sahovacha Yajnavalkya. In mantra, Sahovacho Vacha Vai Sogachan Vai Te Tadyatra Gacchantiti Quanushvamedayajiनो Gacchantiti Dvatrimshatam Vai Devaratha Nyanyam Devaratha Nyanyayam Lokastam Samantam Prithivi Vistavat Paryeti Tam Samantam Prithivim Vistavat Samudraha Paryeti Tadyavati Kshurasya Dhara Yavadva Makshikayaha Patram Tavanantarena Akashastan Indraha Suparno Bhutva Vayave Prayachat Tan Vayuratmani Detva Tatra Agamayat Yatra Ashwamedayajino Abhavan Ityevam Iva Vaisavayumeva Prashashansa Tasmad Vayureva Vyashtir Vayu Samashtir Apapunarmutyunjayati Ya Evam Veda Tatoha Bhujyurlahya Yani Rupara Rama. Very wise Bhujyu. One mantra he asked, he got the answer. Immediately he became quiet, didn't ask 20 questions unnecessarily. This is a sign of wisdom. Vijanan Vidwan Bhavate Nativadi. You don't have to do Ativada. Sahovacha, Yajnavalkya said, Uvacha Vaisaha Gandharva. That indeed, that Gandharva said, Agachan Vai te Parikshita, those Parikshita, they indeed went there, where Tad Yatra Ashwamedha Yajino Gachanti. What was the question? Where the Parikshitas went. What is the answer? Where the Ashwamedha Yajinas go, there Parikshitas went. Where did Rama go? Where Lakshmana went. So now the question is, where did Lakshmana go? Where Rama went. So, but the Yajnavalkya is not answering this way. He is going to give the Vistara now. So, Agachan vai te tat yatra ashwamedha yajino gachanti. So now he is asking, iti kwa nu ashwamedha yajino gachanti. Where do ashwamedha yajinas go? In other words, first he says, I know this word that you are using, parikshita. You think I don't know the word. I know the meaning. It means ashwamedha yajina. That he proved. Many times, people ask questions thinking as if that person doesn't know even the word, what the answer is going to give. So you see, I know the word, I know the answer also. Ashwamedha yajino gachanti iti dvatrimshatam vai devaratha ahnyanyayam ahnyani. Ahnyani means this day and night. Or dvatrimshat means 32. How big is this samsara? First he gives that. So in the chariot of a sun, how much it can travel in one day is called Devarathanya. Devarathanya. And then 32 times that. How big is this world? Dvatrimshatam vai Devarathanya. Devaratha ahnyani. Ayam lokaha. Tam samantam prithvi vistavat pariyeti. And twice this prithvi, vis, dvi, double of that. 4 number टिप्पणी. लोक अपेक्षया द्विगुण परिमाण. लोकः means ससागरः लोक्यते सूर्यादिभिः प्रकाश्यते. 3rd number टिप्पणी says lokah means along with the ocean is that everything whatever is illumined by the sun, all is included. Means not only land, because the sun, the earth keeps moving, everything gets illumined. Dvistavat pariyati. Tam samantam prithivim, that entire earth and the ocean, which is twice of that, dvistavat samudraha pariyati, tad yavati kshurasya dhara. How that is like the sharp razor's edge. Yavadva makshikayaha patram. The, or how thin they are, like the wings of a fly, makshika. Tavan antarena akashas. So, to that extent is the akasha. In Tika it will be elaborated, Bhashya and Tika. Tan Indraha Suparno Bhutva Vayave Prayachat. And then Indra means this Agni, becoming the Suparna, means the bird with beautiful wings. He gives that Parikshita, those who do Ashwamedha Yaga, to Vayu. Vayu means Hiranyagarbha. We already saw Vayu Shabda was used. Prana means Vayu, Hiranyagarbha. Vayave Prayachat. Tan Vayuhu Atmani Dhitva. Then Vayu, having kept them in themselves, takes them where Ashwamedha Yaji stay. Means this kind of upasana takes them to Hiranyagarbha, identifies them with Hiranyagarbha. They are there in Brahmaloka. Tatragamat yatra Ashwamedha Yajino abhavan. There were all those people who do Ashwamedha Yaga, they reach there. There these people also attain. Iti evam iva vaisa vayum eva prashashamsa. So he did the prashansha of Vayu. This is the praise of the Vayu who did the Gandharva. Yajnavalkya is telling, this is what Gandharva did. This is what Gandharva said, like that. Tasmad Vayureva Vyashtihi Vayuhu Samashtihi. So earlier we saw that Ashwamedha Upasana was Vyashti Samashti Upasana. So now here it is given. Vayu Pranaha is Vyashti Samashti. अप पुनर्मृत्युम जयति, पुनर्मृत्युम अपजयति. य एवं वेद, the one who does this kind of upasana. Veda here means upasate. ततोह भुज्युः लाह्यायनिः उपरराम. Then this bhujyu लाह्यायनी became quiet. Upararama, what is the rupa? Ram dhatu. Ram dhatu is Atmanepada. Reme. Lit will be Reme. Remate Remire. Upasarga will make it Parasmapada. So Rama will come. I had explained this once earlier. See in Bhashya now. Sahovacha Yagnevalkya Uvacha Vai Saha. Sahovacha Yagnevalkya. Yagnevalkya said, he gave the answer. What did he say? Saha Vai Uvacha. Saha Gandharva. 10 number tippani. Gandharva, indeed he said this. Vai Shabdaha Smaranartha. Yagnevalkya ji is recollecting. Means he is saying, you remember. You remember, this is how he said. And when many times what happens is, the person who is there doesn't remember all the details. Person who is not there but who knows through different siddhi or through other sources, that person will say, then this happened, this happened. Yes, yes. It's a wonderful samarthya. Many times when 2 people, 3 people are there, right? One person will ask some question. Others are also all co-students. Everybody is listening to the same thing. They all will hear the answer. Then whoever is the best among the all, he will be able to explain it to others. And then the others will realize what they didn't understand when it was explained the first time. It happens. Uvacha vai sa Gandharva tubhyam. Gandharvas tubhyam. Tika. Smaranartho Gandharva labdasya jnanasya iti sheshaha. Gandharvat labdasya jnanasya smaranam. Kim uvacha iti apekshayam aha. Agachan vai te parikshita tatra ko agachan yatra yasmin ashwamedha yajino gachanti iti. Nirnite prashna aha. So prashna uttar is given. Now the next question, follow up. Vanu kasmin ashwamedha yajino gachanti iti. Where do they go, ashwamedha yajinaha? Tesham gati vivakshaya bhuvana kosha parimanam aha. Because now how far they have gone or where they have gone, so you have to know the size of this parimana, bhuvana parimana. Tika. Ahoratram aditya rathagatya yavan pantha mitaha tavan desho. Mitaha means parimitaha. What is the size? Yavan pantha, how far they are. Tavan desho dvatrimshat gunitaha tat kirana vyaptaha. So when we say Surya going on chariot, means what? How far the ray of the sun can travel. 32 times that. So now whatever light year and all you calculate, that how much time it takes for the sun ray to come on the earth, times 32. Such a Chandra Rashmi Vyaptena Deshena Sakam Prithvi iti uchyate. That's Surya Rashmi and Chandra Rashmi Vyaptena Deshena Sakam. Sakam means including that. 8 number Tippani you see. अनेन सूर्य अपेक्षया चंद्र प्रकाश व्याप्ति ही अधिका इति प्रतिभाति. With this, you can understand Surya Prakasha is compared to Surya Prakash, Chandra Prakash Vyapti is greater. So here in other Upanishad, in Chandogya it comes, Surya Loka is there, then greater than Surya Loka is Chandra Loka. So this Chandra is not what Chandrama we see. There is a mention of Chandra which is higher. Therefore its Vyapti will be greater. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.